We had a deal about 3 months ago that came down to 8 $85 outlets. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Real Estate Minute Show. Back in early 2020, on episode 5 or 6, I think it was episode 5, we started briefly talking about inspections, okay? That's the time period when you're buying a house where you can get out for whatever reason you want. It usually ranges from like a week to 2.5 weeks or so. And I'm talking in episode 5 about the importance of that contingency. But during that time period, you're going to have inspectors come in and inspect the house, and like a normal customary thing, maybe a termite inspector, depending where you're at. But the inspection report that the inspector does, okay, is going to provide you with a report. And that report is going to be really fat, really thick, and a bit scary if you haven't been educated about it in advance. So especially with first-time home buyers, we meet with them in advance. We actually show them an example a lot of times of what a previous inspection report looked like, so they know what to expect, so they don't get scared. Because back 3 months ago, we had a client who there were 8 outlets, plugs, in the house that were not up to what they call GFCI plugs. Those are the plugs that have the little buttons on them, like test, reset. Those have to be present in outdoors, outlets, in garages typically, and near anything that's wet. So kitchens, bathrooms, a lot of times laundry areas. And so those need to be there. They weren't in 8 of them, okay? She was freaking out. And I would try to really calm her down and say, look, we told you what to expect. This is not a big deal. And she was like, I can't. The electrical system is completely shot. And so anyway, we never heard from her again, unfortunately, because she's a very nice lady and missed out on a great opportunity to buy this townhouse a few months ago. These plugs cost $85 maximum with labor to have a certified licensed electrician to install them. You could do it yourself as an owner if you want for probably $20, or you can hire somebody. So what we're talking about is about $700 to $800, okay? Which actually I was willing to cover half of it just because I wanted her to be comfortable. And that's what it came down to. She lost out on her home because of something that was scary in the inspection report. Look, inspection reports are long, etc. The inspectors are doing their job. They're supposed to tell you everything about the most important purchase you're purchasing. So my recommendation to you is read the entire report and understand it and get consultation on it. But understand that the most important things involved in an inspection report are fire life safety issues, or things that are going to cause some sort of damage or danger right now or in the immediate future. Okay, and that's what we really focus our clients on. And we bring in other consultants and contractors to advise us on those items when we see them in the inspection report. Really focus, and these are my focus eyes. Okay, focus on the things that are likely to cause damage or it's danger right now. Okay, those are the things that are really the most important thing. A lot of times inspectors will point that out in their inspection report. Some of them actually put it in red as like, warning, warning, this is important. All right, so before you walk and get scared, calm down. Talk to your agent about the report, and they will clearly kind of simplify the process for you to really kind of box the issues for you, okay? So don't walk because of that fear, first off. Take care. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next week on the Real Estate Minute Show.